Hello, friends. Hi, everyone. So, for better understanding, if you want to have a look on class 1, just kindly in a below description have a look. So, guys, here I have typed for you serial number, name, physics, chemistry, biology, total, and maths. For example, we want to write serial number. All we have to do is 1 here, and again, the lower part, we are going to type 2. And now all I'm going to do is get into this number 1 cell, and all I'm going to do is just once this plus symbol comes, all you have to do is just select the cell. So once you select it, press Ctrl and drag it. So here you can see once you select and drag, it will come like this. So guys, if you don't press Control key, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 won't come. Actually, the sequence order it will come. It will if you drag down till the down. But actually, if you don't press a Control key, then actually it will just show you 1, 1, 1. So you all have to do is press Control key while dragging it. So here I'm going to just name someone as A. So name of a person, and the second name of a person will be, let it be B, and the third is C, D. So I have now actually entered all the marks with the serial number and name and physics, chemistry, biology. All I have just did by typing. So now what I'm going to do is now I will show you. I haven't created a heading for this. I'm going to. This is row. So I'm going to insert row here. So here, see, I'm going to insert a row. So here you can see I have inserted a row here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to just type here mark PA1 box. So now the thing is I want this to be in center and also get merged. So all I'm going to do is just going to select here till the cell here. And so guys, once I selected this, actually mark PA1 from starting to this whole line, because I don't want any lines between. All I'm going to do is here you can see merge cells. So I'm going to click on merge cells, and here you can see all the lines will, I am going to see. So it has removed. Again, if I just click, it will again. So now it has got removed. And the next to that, here you can see horizontal alignment. So all I'm going to do is just I'm going to click on center so that this mark PA1 can come into center. So here you can see the one more format is there, right extreme and left extreme, or else you want to be in the center. However you want, you can just try to have it. I have clicked on merge cell, so I'm going to click on merge all. So it will merge all, and I'll take it to the center portion so that it remains between center. So now we are done with this. Now we want to give a color to this mark PA1. So what I'm going to do is, it is already selected. I'm going to fill color, and here you can see so many colors are here. I'm going to click on yellow color so that it becomes yellow color. And I want the font to be in 18. So just keep it a little more bigger so that we can see it is marked PA1. And the next point comes to the next one where, what is that called? Total, maximum, serial number, all is there. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to fill color here, red color, so that I can see this color looks very light. So what I'll do is select a blue color so that it is visible for all. And the next point comes to this marks and everything. Now I want to have a border for all this. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to select this from here to till. You have to do that actually by dragging. So I'm going to select till here, and here you can see borders. So all you have to click is on borders, you have to click. So here it will show you actually which type of a border you want. So I am going to use here this type of all borders so that it will be very thick. And here you can see which border style you want, whether you want to be in a thicker part. So you can click on thick portion. And also if you want a color for your border, you can choose any color, whichever color you want actually for your border. So we are finally done with all this. And so then the point comes to here you can see printing option is here, and also here formatting. So let me tell you, for a printing option, before getting into all this, I'll tell you how it will get printed. So for example, if you select this portion, so till here I have selected, and I'm going to click on print option. So here you can see this is our printing option, how it looks like. So what are the options available in Google Slide? See, here you can see you want the current sheet or a workbook or a selected cell. We don't want the whole sheet. We want only the selected cells. So I'm going to click on only selected cells. It is asking me whether it is to be in the legal letter or A4 size, A3 size. It is normally we use A4 size paper, or whichever size paper you use, you can just select it. And whether you want to be in the landscape or portrait, it is asking. Usually we take landscape for the Excel sheet. If you want portrait, you can have it. And the next point, fit to width and fit to height and pages. Just you can, normal it is 100%. If you want more or less, you can make it over here. So I'll keep it in normal 100%. And the next point comes to formatting. Here you can see show grid lines and show notes. So grid lines are nothing but the lines and the outlines what we have here. If you don't want that, you can just click it and it will remove, because I have used all the, what is that called, that colors and all I have used, so it is showing you. Otherwise it will remove all the lines and it will show the blank empty paper only with those datas. So I'll click on show grid lines so that it will looks good to look at the data. And the next point comes to actually whether you want it to be in the center or left or right, it will ask you, so you can give. And the very important point comes header and footer. So here you can see many options are available. Do you want page number? If you just click on page number, if you are printing a workbook, for example, if you're printing workbook, you click on page number, it will automatically give the page numbers for all the pages. And then workbook title, if you want to give workbook title, it will give, and page numbers. The sheet name also has workbook title has come here, and the sheet name, this is sheet 2, the sheet name has come. So, and current note and current time, if you want, it will come in the bottom layer. So let me show you in the bottom of the page. So here you can see date, time, and all that has come here. So the next point comes to, so this is all about this printing portion. Once you are done, you can give next and you can start printing if you are okay with this. So these are the options available while you are printing this. So then I'm going to just cancel this and get back to this area. And here the next point comes to print option, and the next comes paint format. So paint format is nothing but, for example, I'm going to type here 5, 6, 7 something A, B, C. So what I'm going to do is, I want the same format like how I did for physics. So all I have to do is just I have to click on this and click here on paint format. So all I have to do is just click on this paint format. So once it is clicked, so here guys, you can see that it is also the same format has applied for this also. So when you want the same format to be applied in the other cells too, you can just have to click on that area and you have to click on it. So let me show you one more time here. 1, 2, 3. So I have written 1, 2, 3 here. I want the same format like how I have here. So what I have to do is just click on this, select the cell and get into here and select on paint format. I mean to say I want the same format like how it is here. All I have to do is just click on this 1, 2, 3 so that it will change into the same format how it is. So all I have to do is just get into this, select this portion and I'll get into the paint format. Then I'll come and drop this the same here. So this is all about so guys, this is about paint format. And the next point comes to zoom. Already we are 200% zoom. If you want more or less, you can make it out. And next the point comes to currency, and here you can see a dollar symbol, for example 567. So 567. So this cell I have selected, and here you can see if I press on dollar symbol, it will change into $567.00, and I want to change it to the percentage. It will change into percentage with 1 decimal number and with the 2 decimal number. And if I don't want this to be in a dollar or some other currency, if you want, all I have to do is just click on this 1 2 3. So this tab will get open. Here it is all about automatic, in the sense it will get back to the normal position where it was before. And if you want it to be for example plain text, it will remain plain text. Automatic means it will remain automatic, and number and percentage, all this it has given. So if you want in Indian rupees, all you have to get into is more formats. So just click on more formats and get into more currencies. So once you get into more currency, here you can see Indian rupees in the topmost layer. So all I have to do is just I have to click on 567. So only one cell I have selected. For example, if I select a list of 100 cells actually, then if I click just by selecting it, so all the 100 cells will be updated in rupees. So this is a very good advantage. And the next point comes to font. I'm going to type here as THASIN. So as I told you before, if you want to change the font, you can change it. So change it, and the font size, bold, italic, strikeout, and fill color. And this is border, I told you, and this is merge cell, and also to horizontal alignments actually we can make. And it is all about what is vertical alignment you want to know. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to drag this cell a little more down. So see, 5 6 I'm going to type here. All I'm going to do is just I'm going to drag this cell down. So let me tell you what is meant by vertical alignment. Just I'll click here. 3 options will be available. You can see how 56 is moving, so that whichever alignment you want in the vertical alignment you can have. If you want it to be in the center, it will be in the center, or you want to be in the right extreme, you can have it in the right extreme. So this is called vertical alignment. So here you can see it has come to center, and if you want it to be in the topmost layer, you can make it placed. So wherever you want, you can place it actually using vertical alignment. And the next point comes to text wrapping. So let me tell you how to explain so what is text wrapping. For example, so this is a very lengthy sentence. It just go what is it called actually, even it is going to the next cell, it is not going to the next cell, but still actually it looks it doesn't look nice. So all I have to do is just get into the text wrapping, and here you can see the middle part. So all I have to do is if I click on the middle part, it will get wrapped into the only one cell, and it will form in a very nice way. So here it is, you can see hill station I love to visit. It will come and merge in only one cell. For example, it has got 3 options here. So if you want it to be hidden like this, so actually it will overflow. So this is called overflow. The another one is getting wrapped. And one more type is actually, so half of the portion will be shown and half of the portion will be hidden. If you just scroll this, so this will be, the more you scroll, you can see this text actually. So these 3 methods are here, that is called text wrapping. And next the point comes to text rotation. For example, let me type here math. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate this. So whichever, see, this is called text rotation. So this is the one, and this is the one, and so whichever angle you want, you can rotate this one. And the next point comes to link. It's a very interesting point which I love to, as we all know how to link, but I'll tell you here. So for example, you want someone to get into the other websites or a link, they have to search something. So what you have to do is actually you want to give some information in the website where you have, all you can do is visit my website. So you can give this, and all you have to do is just right click here, or else you can, if you don't want to actually do, all we can do is just click this. So visit my website. So all I'm going to do is just click on insert link, and I'm going to just type here. If you have your own website address, you can give, or else actually wherever whatever URL you want to give, you can, but I'm going to just type google.com. So I am done. So I have clicked apply. So got it. So now this has got a website. So when a person comes and click here, so it will directly take you to the Google page. So here it is. So it's really very good thing that we have link here. And very important thing, one more thing, you can even navigate from one sheet to other sheet, or else actually to navigate from one cell to the other cell, just you can. So here I'm going to do is Thaisn. I'm going to write, and I'm going to, all I'm going to do is just insert link. So once I insert link here, you can see next to the insert link sheet in this spreadsheet. So in the same sheet we want to do. So all I'm going to do is actually sheets in this spreadsheet. I'm going to click, and I'm going to click on which sheet I want to change into the next other sheet. So I will click here ABC. So I'll click on apply. So what will happen is, for example, when I'm walking and I want to just click on this, so here it can shows ABC. So once when I click, it will take me to the ABC sheet where it is. So to navigate from one sheet to other sheet, and to navigate from one cell to the other cell, even we can navigate from one cell to other cell at the same time. For example, Thaisn Begum. So all I'm going to do is just insert link, and I'm going to tell that you have to select a range of cells to link. Actually it is asking. So sheets in the same spreadsheet, I'm going to actually the same sheet I'm going to use. So data range will be, what is this, 567. So this is in G4. So I'm going to just type here, I'm going to just select this G4 and click on OK. So here I'm going to click on apply. So all it is about, for example, if I click on Thaisn, so it will ask me, actually it will tell me that you have to just get into G4. So here you can see this cell has got selected. Once I click over here, so it is getting here into 567. So this is how we can jump from one place to other place, and also from one sheet to the other sheet. You can give many commands. And the next point comes to a plus mark called insert comments. For example, as I told you before, many people will be working in the same worksheet, and all we have to do is just, I have to make a comment. Hill station I love to visit. So what I'm going to do is just going to select this, and I'm going to click here and insert comment. I'm going to just write a comment here, not a bad idea. So I'm going to write here, not a bad idea. So and now I have commented here. So what people will do is they will just try to have a look on this data, what I'm trying to tell about that sentence or a paragraph or about a sheet, so that they can come to know. Or else actually by clicking on maximum, you can just write a hint that, okay, don't keep 50%, you can keep 30% also, consider 30 also. So like that you can make some comments actually, so that everybody can look into it. And the next point comes to insert chart. So as we all know, chart and graphical representation shows a very good impact, so that we can analyze data in a very nice way. So before getting into the charts, I'm going to just write a few formulas here, so that very soon we till like how we used to do in Excel, the same way we are going to do, not a big thing and more easier than Excel. Sum is equal to sum. All I'm going to do is just I'm going to click on this physics, chemistry and biology. So all I'm going to do, so from B3 to D3, so I will just so 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 130. So here you can see the total is here. So all you have to do is equal to sum, and you have to select the cells from where to where. So once this is selected, all I'm going to do is just click on this, and I'm going to drag this till the down, so that it will be automatically, it will do the total. Now I want to find the maximum value in this physics, chemistry and biology. So all I'm going to do is same way, is equal to max max. So I'm going to open the bracket here, and I'm going to type here physics, chemistry and biology. So among these three we have to find for the maximum. I have clicked here, so it will automatically see 43, 67, 45. It shows 65 as a maximum thing, and all I'm going to do is just I'm going to drag this. So here you can see all the maximum marks has got updated here. So the same way, if you want formulas, actually here you can see so many formulas are available. It will help you out how to really work with it. So this is total and maximum, and this is all about. Now all we have to do is just we need to have a chart. So here we can see chart. So I'm going to do is insert chart. Once we click on insert chart, there will be n number of charts will be available. Whichever chart we feel is very good, we can select that. So here we can see bar chart is available, or else actually if you want some other charts, for example line chart, if you want, you can have line chart. So here you can see physics, chemistry, biology. So serial number is in blue color, physics is in red color, chemistry it by itself it shows. So that's also a good thing. Even you can do what to add in the x-axis and also what to be added in the y-axis, and you can customize by yourself how you want the chart to be. So all I'm going to do is, so even you can have charts like how we used to have in the what is that called, in Excel sheet. So this is all about today's class. So kindly continue class 3 for more information, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.